As part of our planning to get rid of illegal mining and criminal activities within the mining environment, we had our joint planning, well planned with everything ready. Unfortunately, just on arrival, the first teams that arrived saw people running into the tunnel, and unfortunately, unknowing to the terrain, when you can see you have to run deep over up to almost 600 kilometers inside. There is rivers, there is water, there is muddy water there. One of our members from SNDF slipped, and the colleague who was behind him tried to rescue him, and unfortunately, because it's muddy and watery, they all got trapped into the mud. We had to organize and arrange our search and rescue team to come to rescue them. And to our unfortunate situation, they already passed on. That's what happened, which is unfortunate and tragic. And that's what we're not coming here to lose our lives or to lose any member to lose his life. But that's what happened. And currently, we will still come back here. And I can assure you, this tunnel and what is happening around here of illegal mining, we are going to get rid of it. We are going to clean it. Come rain, come storm, we are passionate to serve. We are dedicated. And this area will be clean and will rid of illegal mining.